Good morning, friends. I have a really fun counting book today. This morning, if you had a chance to see the Jack Hartman video, you learned about how there are many different ways to make a number. So this book tells us 12 different ways to get to the number 11. It was written by Eve Merriam, illustrated by Bernie Carlin, and the illustrations are very bright. I just think it's really a pretty book. So let's learn about number 11 and the many different ways we can get or show number 11. 12 ways to get to 11. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here, instead of using the numerals, they wrote out the words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Oh, wait. Where's 11? Let's find it. Well, pick up 9 pine cones from the forest floor and 2 acorns. Let's see what we get. The 9 pine cones are counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I missed one. I better do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 2 more make 10, 11. So 9 and 2 more make 11. I think the deer wants to learn to count too. At the circus, 6 peanut shells and 5 pieces of popcorn make 11. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Out of a magician's hat, there are 4 banners, 5 rabbits, and 1 bouquet of flowers. And what do you get? 11. And that's 3 numbers. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 banners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunnies. And a bouquet of flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How does that make 11? 4 banners and 5 rabbits. Oh, I forgot the pitcher of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I better be more careful with my counting. I'm not doing a very good job today. Go past 4 corners, 2 traffic lights, then past the house with 2 chimneys and a garage with 2 cars and a bicycle. Now look, you're at 11th Street. Oh boy, and guess where Irving School is? On 11th Street. Does that look like Irving School? No, but we have a traffic light at the intersection right near Irving School on 11th Avenue. Oh, here's somebody was hungry. If we count 6 bites, 1 apple core, a stem, and 3 apple seeds, we would have 11. Oh, here's a big sailing ship. Now, what do we have to do to get to number 11? Well, on the boat are 2 masts, one big and a little sail, 4 life preserves, a flag, a ladder, and an anchor. And all together, they would make 11. Oh, this is my favorite. 3 turtles sleeping, 1 lily pad, 5 dragonflies darting on top of the pond. And what do you have? 11. Oh, what time of year is shown here? Could it be Halloween? The jack-o'-lantern has a cutout nose and eyes and 4 teeth on the top row and 4 on the bottom row. And all together, that makes 11. Oh, this reminds me when we did our mail unit and we learned all about mail and postcards. That was a fun time. In the mailbox are 7 letters, 2 packages. Packages are fun, aren't they? Remember when we got a package in the mail and there was no return address? And all we could figure out was the Amazon box? We never did figure that out, did we? Remember the little twirly things? So in the mailbox are 7 letters, 2 packages, and a mail order catalog, and a picture postcard. Don't know where the picture... Oh, I think some of you might have gotten a picture postcard from somebody, didn't you? Not too long ago. I think so. Oh, here we have some babies. 3 sets of triplets in baby carriages and a pair of twins in the stroller. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's a busy mama. Oh, here's the pig on the farm. This is the mother sow and 10 baby piglets. So if you have 1 sow and 10 babies, you have 11. Oh, but also on the farm, in the hen yard, are 5 eggs. 3 are cracking open. 2 beaks are pecking out. And 1 just hatched. And off they go. Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, wasn't that a fun story? So today, real quickly, we're going to talk about making a collection. We did a little of this a while back. I know Christian showed me a collection of small toys. Now I have here a collection of what? Do you remember these? Of farm animals. So if I want to make a collection of farm animals, I'm going to line them up. Let's see. I have a horse, a yellow horse, a bunny, a pig, another pig, another horse, and I have a duck. Let's see if I can put these in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a collection of 6 animals. 6 animals that might live on the farm. Now, I would like you to find a collection of something in your house. Or out in the yard. Could be a collection of sticks. could be a collection of stones, could be a collection of stuffed animals, could be a collection of bottle caps. Whatever you can find that belong to the same group, or like Christian did, a collection of small toys, a collection of maybe of things that go. And your collection should be not more than 10. So make your collection less than 10. For show and tell on Friday, I would like you to bring your collection at our next Zoom meeting and tell us about your collection. But one more thing. On your collection, I want you to show us how many are in your collection and show us in 2 ways. So take a piece of paper. This is actually scrap paper, and fold it in half. Fold it in half. So you have 2 sides. See, I just took the paper and I folded it so the corners are even, and folded it in half. Doesn't even have to be this big. And certainly you can recycle and use scrap paper. Now, my collection, I had 6. On one side, I'm going to show the numeral 6. The numeral 6. Can't see that. Hold on one second. I'll be right back. I'm back. All right, here's number 6. Here's 6. So on one side, you will put, you show the number in your collection in one way. I'm going to show you by writing the numeral, but you can do it any way that you like. And on the other side, I'm going to show 6 in a different way. 2. On this side, I'm going to show 6 by making 6 circles. Now, you can show the number of items in your collection with tally marks. You could show it by drawing the different items. You know, there's many different ways. You could draw it. You could show it by 2 numbers that put together equals 6, like 4 and 2, put them together, that makes 6. So I would like you to practice making a collection and then showing us how many are in that collection on a piece of paper in 2 different ways. Okay, let's see what happens. And I'm very anxious to see your collections at our Zoom meeting for show and tell on Friday. So I'll see you then. Bye, friends.